Thank you, Aditi. I will now like to quote a saying from Arthur Ashe, who was the first black player selected to the United States Davis Cup and the only black man ever to win the singles title at Wimbledon, US Open, and Australian Open. He stated that success is a journey, not a destination. The doing is often more important than outcome. This is the representative of VT Service Cancer Walkathon as we strive to get better and will always push to get many women screened for cancer. The healthcare pillar of VT Seva conducts activities every year. One of our main events in the annual Cancer Walkathon, supported by the oncologists, city officials, and hundreds of volunteers, we gather every year to celebrate and fundraise for cancer screening camps, kits, and equipment needed for cancer diagnosis. These camps and kits are for women who do not have access to the basic medical needs. The money we have raised from our donations will continue to save thousands of lives, and for that, I thank you for your selfless and generous contributions. Our success journey started 12 years ago with a call from our CEO, His Holiness Sri Chinnajir Swamiji. At the time, we could only gather about 100 participants. However, that did not slow us down. In 2012, we had gathered more than 300 participants. And along with the countless donations, we also had many who were willing to be part of our bone marrow drive that was started that year. This was the most memorable walkathon for me in person, personally, as it was the first I had attended with my family. Although I could not remember all the moments of the day, but ended up with a feeling of a joy and sense of responsibility had swept me. Ever since then, I supported all these walks and their causes as it taught not only me but also all our children to step up and support one another. It makes me proud to say that we have not stopped fighting cancer since then. The number of participants increased, and so have the lives that we have served. As time passed, we started to invite many health professionals and oncologists for guidance and advice, which is part of our event's mandatory agenda. We have continued inviting cancer survivors to the event to share their experiences and organizing interactive sessions with them. As you all know, the youth are the forefront of all VT Seva activities. All these years, youth were given opportunities and support to research and present different cancers during this event and ask questions at the end of their presentations. These opportunities create awareness for youth while also improving their personality development skills. The youth were so insightful and passionate about the duty to spread awareness that we had carried this tradition. We at VT7 started making youth as the forefront by passing the torch from the old to the creative and talented youngsters that could light a path for our future. Along with health professionals, we also invite the city officials like mayors and police chiefs to the event to take their advice and support to serve the local community needs and to improve the way we conduct events throughout our Dallas Metroplex area. The generous support that VT7 Healthcare Pillar received every year through the walkathon events allowed us to conduct cancer screening camps in remote areas of India and Nepal where women do not have access to essential primary health care. In 2017 alone, we conducted 50 cancer screening camps, and in 2018, sponsored a mobile diagnostic bus, and again in 2019, supported 29 cancer screening camps. Through the 10 annual cancer walkathons we have conducted so far, we were able to gather 3,000 plus participants who have completed around 30,000 miles, which expresses their solidarity in the fight against the cancer. Moving on to that, we are also gathered here are to celebrate one of the key essential how the women are supported with the funds we have raised through these 10 walkathons. Out of all our generous contributions, we were able to conduct
What happened?
Rangaji, I think you're on mute. Rangaji, Reshmarana, I think you're on mute.
Oh,
yeah, no worries.
Yeah, I'll go ahead. I'm sorry, where I've been left off, I don't know. Sorry, Pritam. Yeah, we are all gathered here to celebrate one key essential metric: how the women are supported with the funds we have raised through these 10 walkathons. Out of all our generous contributions, we were able to conduct 200 women health camps and screened 50,000 women, with approximately spending around $200,000. All these medical camps are conducted by our great selfless doctors and volunteers back in India and Nepal. These volunteers go to remote places with no basic transport facilities, carrying screening equipment and set up temporary tents and facilities in challenging environments. We also spent $51,000 for the mobile bus, which allowed our volunteers team to reach far more remote places with no transport services, saving our volunteers time and effort. Funds were also used to acquire the basic medical equipment like a digital colonoscopy, blood cell counting equipment, and thousands of cancer screening kits to conduct health camps. Hope this shows our passion and commitment to serve and enjoy the journey with all of you. I would once again like to thank all our volunteers and donors for their support with that. I will now hand over that back to Pritam.